Ladies and gentlemen, my buddy Darren once bought an old airport shuttle and turned it into a camper. He painted flames on it and called it the Dragon Wagon. Problem was, it still smelled like airport carpet and disappointment. Meanwhile, someone else took a different approach, buying a 1967 Bluebird Wanderlodge, the kind of motorhome that doesn't just drive, it makes a statement. It says, "I've been everywhere, and I've got the oil leaks to prove it." Now, the Bluebird Wanderlodge wasn't just a bus, it was the Cadillac of Class A RVs. In 1967, it came loaded with luxury, swagger, and steel thick enough to stop a charging rhino. This particular 31-foot, 9.4-meter beast is finished in two-tone white and green. And I think it looks like what a government official in 1967 would have driven to a lakeside scandal. The paint's flaking, the roof's got rust, and the windshield's got chips. But I believe that's just character. If your RV doesn't look like it's seen the 70s, are you even camping? Under the hood, or should I say under the cup holders, you'll find a Ford 391Ci FT V8. That's 6.4 liters of Detroit grunt pushing power to the rear wheels through an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. I liked the most that the engine sits right between the driver and passenger, so if you're going uphill, you can feel every RPM in your kneecaps. The Holly carb was rebuilt, and the ignition system got a freshening with new plugs, wires, coil, and distributor. And let's not forget the brakes. New master cylinder and shoes on all four corners, which is great if you enjoy stopping. Inside, it's like stepping into the grooviest mobile living room ever built. We're talking 2 couches with plaid upholstery, 2 Norge air conditioners, because one just isn't enough, and a kitchen equipped with a Magic Chef 3-burner range and oven, Dometic fridge, and a stainless steel sink. There's even under-cabinet lighting, because what's a midnight snack without mood lighting? Sleeping quarters? Twin beds in the back, with real wood storage above and sliding privacy doors. I think it feels more like a rolling train car than a camper. The bathroom includes a toilet, shower, and sink, all surrounded by wood paneling that's held up surprisingly well, minus a little warping. But hey, if my friend Timmy can warp his entire personality in college and still bounce back, this Bluebird's got nothing to worry about. The wheels are 20-inch painted steel, a little rusty, a little mismatched, kind of like my fantasy football picks. It's got dual tires in the rear, and the chassis shows a bit of underbody corrosion, which is expected on something that survived more road trips than my ex-boss's second marriage. As for price, this Bluebird sold with a stack of service records, original manuals from Bluebird, Ford, Allison, and Onan, and a clean Illinois title for no reserve. Final bid? We're talking affordable nostalgia.